Hey trophies, welcome to Muscle Flex Monday. How are we? This is a rebounder workout, all levels, beginner friendly. We are gonna crush it today. I'm on my JumpSport 350 Pro. What we wanna do is we want to flex our muscles while we jump instead today. And we wanna keep the tension out of our neck. And we're going to find that perfect balance. And so make sure you have your handlebar. It's a performance bar. And let's bring our guns, jump instead, flexercise, and make this 15 minutes the most that it can be. Let's go ahead and start. Class. How are you today? I want you to check in and ask yourself right now, how are you feeling? Are you feeling energized? Are you feeling just more relaxed? Are you feeling anxious? Are you feeling something that can benefit you in this workout or something you need to let go right now so that you can be in the present moment? Because these 15 minutes are your opportunity to escape from whatever it is that might be bringing you down, or to just come into the present moment and really revel in this spectacular up and down resistance massage that you are bringing to your body right now. And if you're feeling good and you're feeling energized, then you can really take it to any desired intensity in your flex that you desire. So now that we've gotten 1 minute of baby bouncing over with, let's do some stretching. So let's twist it up here in our Tai Chi twists. And I like to use my handlebar to stretch deeper, keeping the head over the front shoulder to stretch through the neck, and then coming up through the back heel of the twist to be able to go a little bit deeper and to have some more flexibility. Let's go ahead and do some hip thrusting here, stretching through the core and the lower back. We're also keeping our mouth closed, jaw closed, for proper mouth posture and also proper breathing. Let's go ahead and do some hip twists here with a mid bounce, maybe 2 mid bounces, depending on your needs, and come up on the ball of your foot with each knee point to get into your hips, calves, and ankles even deeper. For this next minute, we're gonna pick the heart rate up. So we're gonna start with rocking here. So if you are more advanced, feel free to come into a full jog so that you can work at your necessary intensity. Otherwise, I want us to just rock and relax and start to bring the heart rate up. Again, we're nose breathing, so stay calm and relaxed while you pay attention to your breath. Every bounce is stretching and strengthening you, so be here in the present moment and make the most out of these next 13 minutes. Just rocking side to side. Or you're jogging and you're really bringing your heart rate up, warming your body up. All right, so for the next 10 minutes, we're going to be doing flexing and we're going to be walking. So let's go ahead and start walking here. And the first move we're going to do is a waist hold with the right hand. Now this left hand is on the handlebar. Both can be squeezed internally. So walk here, feeling the activation in your arms and in your legs as you stand upright, keeping the jaw closed and feeling the activation coming into your body. Let's go ahead now and switch sides. So hand on the handlebars, just the palm, arm activated with the stability of your waist hold. Walking here and feeling activation in both your arms and both your legs. Breathing powerfully as your muscles demand more oxygen, the more they get activated. We're going to go ahead and health bounce for these 10 seconds at the top of the minute. Bring the heart rate down and get ready to do the next hold, which is going to be a shoulder hold. So let's get walking. Right hand on the shoulder, fingertips on the shoulder, left hand palm on the handlebar. Now squeeze both arms, walk and breathe. Staying right down the center of your mat, working side to side. And relax your eye muscles. Relax your shoulders. Even though you're lifting up through the shoulder here, let's go ahead and switch. Perfect. We just want to keep all tension out of the neck. Use your core strength and your back strength to stay nice and balanced and strong. And just keep breathing and keep relaxing. Let's health bounce at the top in 3, 2, 1. 50 seconds to a minute. For the next 8 minutes, we'll health bounce. Fully relax. 3, 2, 1. Get to walking. Right hand back into a tricep reach. Left hand on the handlebar. Both arms are squeezed and activated. And then we're activating the legs. Walk at your perfect intensity. If your legs start to fatigue, just stand up more upright. Now I want you poised. Straight up your spine and jaw. You can even smile for me. Let's go ahead and switch hands. Smiling adds a little extra contraction to the face muscles. And while we're breathing and pumping, then we're promoting fat loss, jawline to feet. Squeeze your arm into your sides, get in those triceps. 3, 2, 1. Fully relax, health bounce. Excellent. The next one is going to be a W bicep curl here. So get walking. Your left hand is on the handlebar. Your right arm is squeezed into the half W. So we've got one arm here. And now push into your handlebar. Squeeze that bicep. Stay balanced. Excellent. Let's go ahead and switch arms for me. Feel that arm strength. Pushing into your handlebar. Keep your neck relaxed. Sometimes you have to move your head around. Stay present. Stay focused. Excellent. And then fully relax in 2, 1. Fully relax. Excellent. The next arm move is the M position. So instead of the W, we're in the M. Right arm is in the M. Left hand is on the handlebar. Flex through the upper body. A squeeze all throughout. Staying balanced. Eyes relaxed. The body feels relaxed and poised. Let's go ahead and switch. Squeeze those arm muscles. Calm breath. Feeling your whole body, head to toe, inside and out. 3, 2, 1, health bounce. Excellent. We're going to do another waist hold here. If you want to level up this round, you can let go with both hands and do the waist hold. Otherwise, keep one hand on the handlebar and hold with your right hand here for 30 seconds, well, 25 seconds. Otherwise, I do want you to challenge yourself with both arms, hold in strong, arm activation, staying centered and balanced, core strength, back strength. If you're switching, switch hands now. If you want to smile for that added face flex, go for it. Eyes relaxed, teeth closed. Lift the chin just a little bit. Excellent job. Let go and health bounce. 2, 1, relax. Getting back to the shoulder hold. 3, 2, 1, get walking. Both hands on the shoulders here, or continue with the one arm at a time. We've got to stay balanced and still in our upper body here to stay controlled. Feel your shoulders squeezed underneath your fingers, and now relax your neck. Excellent. Switch hands if you're doing one arm. Aiming to keep the chin parallel to the ground. Lift those elbows up just a little bit more. Relaxing your breath and your body. 3, 2, 1, and health bounce. Excellent. We're going to do the tricep reach next. 2, 1. Feel free to join me. Both arms back. Squeeze those triceps into your lats. Otherwise, one at a time. No sweat. You're still getting activation through both your arms. The ultimate balance between poise and relaxation, between flexing and feeling calm. Switch arms if you're doing one arm. Finding your form outside of your neck, but in all the rest of your muscles, your neck is nice and loose. Excellent. 3, 2, 1. Soak it up, health bounce. Relax. We're going to do the W hold next. 3, 2, 1. Walk with me. One or both arms. I want you to really feel those biceps flexed here. So relaxed, so poised, so present. Excellent job. Staying balanced. Switch sides if you're doing one arm at a time. Smiles welcome. Eyes relaxed, teeth closed. Feeling that mind to muscle connection with a nice loose neck. 3, 2, 1. Feel this nice relaxed health bounce. W upside down into M is next. 2, 1. Here we go. So one hand or both. Fists are at your sides. It's just a nice flexed under shaped W. Activating the lats, the chest, the biceps, the triceps, the shoulders. Strong core, strong back, strong legs. Go ahead and switch hands if you're doing one arm. Give me all you got here. The last 2 minutes are going to be jogging and walking. Just rocking. We'll go jogging, rocking. We've had enough walking, right? We've crushed it. All right, let's go ahead and health bounce here. And then we're going to do 1 minute jog. This is up to you, how quickly you want to move in your jog. And you're welcome to hold your handlebar as well. Let's get going here. One arm jogging is amazing because you can swing one arm and keep your arm firm, keep yourself balanced, and then at the 30-second mark, you can switch arms. And just work your trophy body today, here and now. Work with what you got, your energy, your body. Do your best. Let's go ahead and switch arms if we're doing one arm at a time. Continuing to stay poised. You don't have to match my speed. You're doing great. Jogging is jogging. 3 and 2 and 1. Just rock with me. Side to side. If you want to go deeper into your hip flexibility, point your knees out and come up onto the balls of your feet. And you can even throw a shoulder stretch here, rocking up and down while you bring your breathing rate down. Relax your body and your mind. Let's do one round of alphabet, mouth, exaggerated movements. One letter per bounce, no sound. 3, 2, 1. A, B, C. And relax. 3, 2, 1, and done. Excellent job. I hope you do this workout again and again, because once you know the routine, then you feel like, oh, I've got 15 minutes. I can sneak one in, you know, it's 7:15. I can get a workout in before 7:30, or it's 4:15 in the afternoon. I can get a workout in before 4:30. And since you know what's to come, you can give me your trophy best, and you can get more jumps into your day, strengthening your metabolism, strengthening your muscles, strengthening your bones, strengthening your lymphatic health, and bringing more energy into your body, helping you to burn more body fat and to be healthier overall inside and out. Give the video a like if you plan on doing it again, and also comment below a pink heart if you want to check in so I know who crushed this workout today. I'll see you in your next I Jump and Said workout. Take care. Bye-bye.